I'm going to go ahead now and show you how to set up your parent account. And this is a little bit different than your student account. With your student account, you just access an account that's already been created. With a parent account, you're actually going to make or create your new account. So we're going to go to this tab here and click Create Account. And I'm going to go ahead and type in my name here. We'll set up an email address. I can pick my username and I can choose my own password. And these passwords need to be 7 characters long. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see I can link students to my parent account. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see that you can link up to 7 students with your account. And this is where you're actually going to get that login or that information from the second part of your login letter. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. We're going to give the student this name, test student 1, the access ID, student 1, and then the access password. I can choose my relationship to that student, so I'm going to choose that I'm that student's mother. And then we'll go ahead and add that second student. Test student 2, the access ID, and the password, again, that I found in that second portion of my login letter. The access password. And again, I'm going to choose that I'm that student's mother. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit enter. And it'll say, congratulations, your new account has been created. Enter your username and password. And you'll remember that these are the username and password that you chose. So I would recommend writing those down so that you don't forget. And you can go ahead and sign in with that information, and you'll be able to see all of your student information linked to that parent account.